A shocking verdict has sent shockwaves through France as a Paris court ruled that former President Nicolas Sarkozy must serve time in prison even as he plans to appeal. This unprecedented decision has made Sarkozy the first modern French president to face actual imprisonment. The court found Sarkozy guilty of criminal conspiracy, alleging that he was involved in a scheme to finance his 2007 presidential campaign with funds from Libya in exchange for diplomatic favors. This historic ruling has sparked controversy and left many questioning the future of French politics. But here's where it gets controversial. The court stated that Sarkozy's behavior was exceptionally serious, and that his actions could undermine public trust in institutions. Despite clearing him of other charges, including passive corruption and illegal campaign financing, the court maintained that his involvement in the Libyan funding plot was a criminal act. Sarkozy, who served as interior minister before becoming president, strongly denied any wrongdoing. He described the financing scheme as merely an idea, and claimed that he was being convicted for allowing his staff to explore this idea. With his wife, Carla Bruni Sarkozy, by his side, Sarkozy expressed his innocence and denounced the ruling as an injustice. The court's lengthy verdict, read out by the chief judge, highlighted Sarkozy's role in reaching out to Libyan authorities to obtain financial support for his campaign. However, the court acknowledged that it couldn't conclusively prove that Libyan money directly funded Sarkozy's campaign. Under French law, a corrupt scheme can still be considered a crime, even without concrete evidence of monetary transactions. This case has its roots in accusations dating back to 2011, when a Libyan news agency and former dictator Muammar Gadhafi claimed that Libya had secretly funded Sarkozy's 2007 campaign. The French investigative outlet Mediapart later published a document allegedly showing a funding agreement, which Sarkozy denounced as a forgery and sued for defamation. The court's ruling on Thursday suggested that this document was indeed a forgery. Investigators also examined trips made by Sarkozy's associates to Libya during his time as interior minister. In 2016, a Franco-Lebanese businessman, Ziad Taqiyuddin, claimed to have delivered suitcases of cash from Tripoli to the French Interior Ministry under Sarkozy's watch. Taqiyuddin later retracted this statement, leading to a separate investigation into witness tampering, in which both Sarkozy and his wife were charged. The trial shed light on France's back-channel talks with Libya in the 2000s, when Gadhafi sought to restore diplomatic ties with the West. Sarkozy, who was one of the first Western leaders to push for military intervention in Libya during the Arab Spring, suggested that the allegations were politically motivated and a form of retaliation for his call for Gadhafi's removal. Despite multiple legal scandals, Sarkozy remains a prominent figure in French right-wing politics and entertainment circles. In June, he was stripped of his Legion of Honor medal after being convicted in a separate case for corruption and influence peddling. Sarkozy has faced other convictions, including for illegal campaign financing in his 2012 re-election bid. And this is the part most people miss. Sarkozy's sentence is not just a legal matter. It's a reflection of the complex web of politics, diplomacy, and personal motivations that often shape international relations. As we delve deeper into this story, we invite you to consider the broader implications and share your thoughts in the comments. Is this verdict a necessary step towards accountability? Or does it raise concerns about the balance between justice and political influence? We'd love to hear your perspective.